talk that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You can get away.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kimberly. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button, girl, and stick around and become a part of the CK gang. So y'all, today's video is in collaboration with Myfirstwig, and let me tell you how I'm really excited about this video because do you see the sleigh? The greatest part about this is that there's no glue, there's nothing crazy involved. I literally just cut the lace off and the wig is on my head. I'm not kidding, it's not a joke. I used their invisible band that they sent me, and I was like skeptical that this band thingy was gonna be showing through the wig, but it didn't show through at all. Like, you can't tell that I have a band underneath this wig, and all I did was put the wig on top, cut the lace off, and we're here. Literally, we are here. I didn't do anything else, and do y'all see this? It's giving natural, it's giving healthy. It just looks like really amazing. And the fact is, I didn't take a long time to do this. The longest part about getting ready today was doing my makeup, and that's insane. So if you're a beginner and you've never done any kind of lace, this is a video for you. Like, this wig is for you. Usually when I do my wigs, I be telling y'all, you know, depending on the difficulty of like achieving a certain look, I'll tell y'all if it's for you. But if you're a beginner, you don't do lace, you ain't never done anything like this, and you're scared, get this wig, because all I did was cut the lace off and put the band on, and I'm not kidding. And this is the look. Like, I'm still in shock that it's actually staying, and it's so snug, like it's literally secured, and it looks really natural. So if you are interested in seeing like how I got this, then you should definitely keep on watching, and you're gonna see how easy it is, guys. All the links for this hair is in the description box. Shout outs to Myfirstwig. Thank you for living up to your name, because this is definitely my first wig kind of situation, meaning you've never had wigs before. This is perfect, and it comes with all the little tools. They give you like a little pouch with like your clips, a comb, and just the little things that you would need for your very first wig, which is so cool. But anyways, guys, I'm done with all the talking. I'm just gonna hop into the video, and you're gonna see how easy this was to achieve. Be sure to like, be sure to comment, girl, and if you like this hair, description box. So guys, today's hair is from Myfirstwig, and they sent over to me a unit. It came in these. In this install, guys, is going to be a glueless install. This is the hair. Comes on the inside, a adjustable strap, and also these smaller adjustable straps. They also sent to me this invisible band, and I'm gonna test using this to install it. And yeah, we're gonna see how it goes. I'm not gonna use any glue, so definitely this will be interesting. Guys, this installation is so easy. All I'm gonna do is cut my lace off, and we are done. I put on the band, as y'all can see, and then I'm just like combing the hair out just so I can situate it on my head, and then I'm just gonna cut my lace off, and that's it for the install. It's really that simple. And this hair is a 16-inch. This is a medium reddish brown kind of color, and I do have it in the bigger wig cap. I got it in a size 1, and that didn't really fit my head, so I have the bigger wig cap, which is their size 2. And this is a lace front wig, and it is Swiss lace. All the details for this wig, guys, is in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. But as you can see, I'm literally just cutting that lace off the middle, and then I'll cut the sides, and then the wig is ready. And I'm doing it in real time just so y'all can see that it's really that easy and that simple to achieve. went and did my makeup and I'm back. You saw how easy that was. All I did was cut my lace off and now I'm just going in to straighten the hair. The hair did take to heat really well. It didn't take much to get the hair like bone straight and just looking real silky. It's giving me like a shampoo commercial vibes. That's what it's giving me with this color. I don't know if those shampoos are called like Herbal Essence or something. When I was younger I used to see that, but it's just giving this nice healthy glow to the hair. Like it has this really nice healthy sheen, and I'm just going over the hair with my flat irons and I'm just straightening it. That's pretty much it. The hair was super easy. Cut the lace off, straighten, and you're good to go. I added some powder to my part just to highlight my part a little bit more. You don't have to do that. That's totally like optional. And then that's it for the styling. It's so easy, guys. And I won't talk your ear off because everything else is self-explanatory. And that's how it looked, completely glueless. And guys, for the ear tabs, I decided to just add a little bit of spray just right there to hold it down. But previously in the other clips you saw that you could wear it without spraying it down at all. I just wanted to like go the extra mile with this part just to show you that this is an option as well. But this hair is completely glueless. It is so amazing, and I really enjoyed this unit because it was so simple. I'm trying to do my hair all the time and doing like just a lot to get a certain look. So this was a breath of fresh air and I'm loving it. Let me know down below, guys, how y'all feel about this wig. If you are interested, then definitely check out Myfirstwigs. Their information will be in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, I love you guys, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.